Hello my friends, welcome. Today we are reviewing some Auxbeam products, or Auxbeam, you know, right here guys. So let's go ahead and do some unboxing, do some testing. So guys, for today's video we're going to be taking a look at the RGB gang. This is the multifunctional switch panel. Let's open it up, show you guys what you get. So this is a full kit. And here we can see our gauge panels, and we can go ahead and place all these different decals on here, and we'll show you guys our modded vehicle that we're going to be hooking up. They provide you with, oh man, with everything needed, which is excellent. What's nice is they have the quick disconnect. So if you need to quick disconnect it for adding your positive and negative cables and adding more things on it, it's pretty awesome that they have that. I like that a lot. They give you all your mounting brackets and your hardware in here as well, which is awesome. So you got all your wires and cables inside here. Here is your control hub box. So this is the switch assembly, as we can see in here. This is for hooking up all your switches for running the wires. So you run all your wires here. You have your positive and negative terminal and that's going to go right to your battery. So you're going to connect your positive cable and your negative cable to your battery, positive and negative. And then you're going to be hooking up, starts off at 5 amps up to 30 amps. Make sure you put the correct wire with whatever light you're hooking up, and they make it easy. Use a screwdriver, just put the cable in there, tighten it back up. Everything is easy access. I love that. So this is our Jeep. As you can see, we have 4 lights up on our steel armor. We're going to be hooking those up. We also have our light bar right here that we're going to be hooking up, and it's going to take custom work. So this is designed for other lights. We have a light bar coming from the same brand that's not technically designed, but we're going to actually hook it up our way so we can use this with that as well. The great thing about this kit, it's a do-it-yourself kit if you know electrical, if you know what you're doing when it comes to wiring. When you're hooking this up, you're going to take this plug right here. That's going to go right in there. And then this plug is going to connect just like that. So just because hooking stuff up, just because you're dealing with electrical and wiring, I'm not showing you guys exactly how you do this. I want you guys to really do your homework, because if I show you guys what I'm doing, some people are gonna say, oh, that's not correct. Some people, everyone has their opinion on how something should be done. I personally have been working on vehicles for over 15 years, and I personally have worked on over 15 vehicles, from sports cars to trucks to Jeeps and more. And I've never had a single electrical problem in those 15 years with how I do what I do. But when it comes to this kind of stuff, I always let people do their own research, because never want to be liable for someone else's mistake, or if they skip a step that you tell them to do. So with that being said, people, please do your own research when it comes to wiring. If you know what you're doing, hooking this up is going to be a breeze. If you don't know what you're doing, then please learn a complete how to wiring video, because you need to learn that. Once you have everything hooked up with your battery, now we just have everything temporarily on. We're not doing anything permanent right now because we're just doing our test phasing. But again, everything trial and error. Make sure you guys are doing everything and testing everything before you make something final. All right, as a test, black, negative, red, positive. The switch gets plugged into right here, so it's going to look something like this. Your switch cable connects to the positive, which has a 5 amp, and here we have our lit up. I don't know if you guys can see this, but now we got our lit up, and there's our on and off. So when we have one on, turn everything on and off. We still need to play with it, still get everything set up, but this is just a trial and error. You can have multiple ones on at the same time. Reset everything. So yeah, there's just a lot of stuff that we can do with this. Overall, I think it's fantastic. I love it. I love the color green. And of course you put your emblems over this and then they shine through. But yeah, it's very simple. It's so easy when you know wiring. Again, we're just still playing with stuff. We need to add our fuse in between the cables, and there's a lot of other stuff that we are doing. But we just wanted to give you guys a rough rundown of how it works. Again, test everything before you make anything permanent. But overall, this is going to be awesome with hooking up our different lights and other items.